What's up, Tipsies? It's Twyla, and I am back with a brand new name. And here it is. Yep, that's right. Tipsy Travels. Tipsy Travels. I like it because, yeah, I like to get tipsy on my travels. Anyway, and I would like to thank Ashes Bell on Instagram for coming up with that name for me. And I want to thank all of you for participating in helping me try and find a new name. You all were incredible. Thank you so much for all your amazing ideas. But yeah, I went with Tipsy Travels because it basically just works and encompasses everything. I was very close to Tipsy Tea, and spilling all the travel tea, but I don't know, Tipsy Travels just did it for me, especially with that Z at the end. So there we are. So you guys are still my tipsies. That will never change. I love you. And as for an update for the channel, first of all, one update is not being able to have my same facial products. My adult acne is out of control right now, so forgive. I'm trying to work on finding the right product for this face instead of shipping what I used in America here, because that's going to cost a whole lot of money. Other than that, other than my face being a hot mess, I'm going to try and pull back on the amount I upload each week. I was trying to do multiple days a week, but I'm thinking I'm only going to be able to do one day a week from here on out, at least for a while, because I really need to get back into writing, because that is where I get the majority of my income. So, once a week, I'm going to try and upload a new video, because I still love giving you guys tips. I still love showing you all the beautiful places that I'm going, and I also plan on continuing to go to these beautiful places. So just know, once a week. I don't know what day yet, because I want it to be the same day every week. I'm hoping for a Saturday or Sunday. So that's the update, and as always, you guys know I love you, and stay tipsy, my friends.